Dustin Pannone, formerly known as Dusty Rhodes.
Why? Do you know who Dusty Rhodes is?
I believe he was a wrestler, but if you talk to the CEO, it might be somebody completely different.
No, Dusty Rhodes was a wrestler, a big ass wrestler.
Or somebody from Leonard Skinner. I am lead tech, R&D, all around welder, fabricator. Wear many hats.
Do you also have a new hat that you're going to be wearing?
Tuning.
What do you do? Tuna fish? Tuna... What do you...
Just in-house tuning, ECUs, stuff like that. All the good fun stuff, dyno tunes.
You like the dyno?
That's my favorite toy. Definitely would be driving the cars after I complete them.
Who's your favorite superhero?
Maybe Batman, because he's the average Joe that just kind of goes out there and kicks everybody's ass.
Do you know what an onomatopoeia is?
Something that has to do with a crocodile from...
Yeah, what? That is correct. The medulla oblongata.
Mama
The medulla oblongata.
What?